Yeah, congratulations, but this congratulations has got soured by what has happened in Pakistan. That very unfortunate that General Asad Durrani is being treated like this. That he's certainly one of the better ISI chiefs, and he has a very fine reputation, not only in Pakistan but all over the world. People recognize him, and for this to happen to him, I don't know how Pakistan thinks and what the problem is, because he has said nothing new. Whether it is Osama, whether it is Kargil, his views are well known, and he has been critical. On Osama, he said what he said, and that is it. And he's given, I know, on BBC, he spoke to, on that program, Hard Talk. He's also spoken to Al Jazeera on this. So I don't know what else they can find in the book. There is nothing. At the end of it, it's just a very old man who's retired long, long ago, his perceptions. And as he says, his memories. So if civilians can say and get away with it, and I know, for instance, that a former foreign secretary of Pakistan, again a very fine foreign secretary, Riaz Muhammad Khan, is on record as having said that Mumbai was a big setback for Pakistan. It destroyed Pakistan's credibility in Kashmir. So, if a former foreign secretary can get away with it, what is the problem with an ISI chief saying it? The only thing I can think of is that at one stage he says in the book that possibly they made a mistake in not supporting Amanullah Khan only because he was pro-independence. Now, if Pakistan takes exception to that, then they should tell the Kashmiris that we are opposed to independence, which they are. This book, if you read the book, it has been written in the hope. It is about peace, and it is written in the hope that India and Pakistan relations will improve, and this permanent madness between the two countries will end. That is what the book is about, and it is about talking. As far as I am concerned, it's a sort of continuation of the last book, where I had stressed on dialogue. Here we are actually in a dialogue, the two of us. That is all there is.
So why is the Pakistan?
There are no state secrets in this. It's a book written in right earnest, in the most transparent manner, in the presence of a third person who has recorded it, with no hidden agenda. So Pakistan ko pata nahi kya takleef ho rahi hai. Yeah, I'm very sorry. And I hope it's not on account of anything that I have said in the book. That's all I can say. I'm extremely, extremely sorry for what has happened to him.